Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it opens up in the shopping menu where we can look and browse different kinds of clothing articles. But from this menu we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner, there is a person icon, which we have to tap. And here in the overview section, we have to select app settings. We tap on this button. And then in the middle, there is autoplay videos. If we tap on this button, then the video autoplay is going to be turned off. Thereby, the videos that are present in the Zalando browsing feature aren't going to be played if we don't tap on them to explicitly start them to play. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.